697 in Mount.
This is the National Weather Service office in Portland, Oregon. The proceeding was a test of no weather radios warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming.
This is NOAA weather, 59 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Stand by.
This is a test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio's warning alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, the National Weather Service transmits a signal that automatically activates specially built receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM62 Olympia.